Hi guys! Daddy's not here again, but this time he's not sleeping. He's on the other room. We're on my study room. You might remember this on our morning routine, right? So guys, we actually got a package from Lola. It's a package for me because I did good on my exam and I'm already done. We are going to call Lola now. You have also might know Lola from our Christmas vlog. We introduce you to her. Now let's call Lola. Look at my Samsung. Hi, I got your package, Lola. I got your package, Lola. I got your package. And I'm also vlogging.
Okay.
Let's open it.
It's a note. It's a note for Noah from Yoya. Love you.
Love you so much.
It's Foxy and Boxy. Thank you, Lola. Thank you.
Is that what you like?
Yeah.
I'm watching your reaction.
No.
Now we have the friends now.
Show it here. Who are they?
Foxy and Boxy and Rocky. Yeah.
Oh, Lola bought that. You know that's so expensive.
I know. Thank you, Lola, so much.
Okay, welcome. But you can write down, don't forget your note. That's your prize.
I know.
That's your prize.
I know. How did you get that? This is from America.
What?
How did you get this? This is from America.
Secret. There's a message from mine. A nice memory. Are you happy? Let's go.
You happy?
Why you?
Are you gonna cry?
I know.
You're crying.
No, I'm not. So guys, I will unwrap.
Look, you can remove their box.
I know.
Open it. Open it.
So I know that. Wait! Now it's Foxy without her head. You mean without her hair? Ah, so fucking! Ah, so fucking! Let's surprise Daddy with this.
You show it to Daddy.
Yes. Rocky! Wait, what's the power? Name, Rocky. Let's open it. Yeah, Rocky. And Boxy.
I like the way you feel.
Huh?
By the way, that's your gift now. That's your gift now in this
I
class.
know. I will unwrap here. Now, Lankybox will thumbs up to this video cause they see I got their I got their Plushies. Ah, so cute! Foxy is the only one without a name, right?
Does it have a name?
Yes. Let's surprise Daddy now.
Are you happy?
Yes.
You've been wanting to have that for a long time.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Bye!
Bye.
I'm crying.
I know. That's it, guys. Bye. I will go surprise Daddy with this. I want to see.